Good day, everyone. My name is Mukthar Abdulwaheed. I am Microsoft Student Learn Ambassador. I'll be taking you guys through introduction to Power BI, specifically visualization on Power BI desktop. And you should know we have three tools in Power BI, which is Power BI desktop, Power BI mobile, and Power BI service. Power BI desktop is what we're using to explain the visualization for you guys. Power BI mobile is for you to access your data for mobile devices just for viewing alone. And we have Power BI service, which is for you to share your report and collaborate with your colleagues. Now, this is my Power BI desktop. I'll be loading for you guys. Then I will get my data and transform my data, do some little transformation to it, and close and apply it for modeling. So now I'm clicking get my data. It's loading. So now these are the different types of data that Power BI accepts. We have database. You could even go online to get data and stuff like that. But now I'll be using an Excel file. So this is it. This is the data that I'm using. It's Superstore. It's a report or a data record of a superstore in US, which actually it is there, which actually tells us about the different order dates, the ship dates of different products, the name of customers, customer ID, which country is from United States, different city, different states over there, the postal code, region, category, subcategory, the product name, sales, quantity, discount, and profit. So this is the analysis that this data set I'll be working on to do my analysis, and I'll be putting you guys through three things. I'll be creating three dashboard for you guys. First one is just the analysis of all the different data that's inside this data set. I'll be analyzing the data here. Also, I would also create another dashboard which would actually be for linear regression based on sales and profit. You want to see if there's actually a correlation between sales and profits, and if we have more sales, we have more profit, and then we'll see if it is that. And also we'll also be doing a time series analysis, basically, and that dashboard which would actually help us forecast our sales for next year and also our profit for next year. So let's get started. So now we have three sheets in the Excel file. The first sheet is orders, second sheet is people, you can see it. And in this data set, actually these people here, they're from different region, and they want us to analyze these customers based on the profit they bring to the store, what they order, and stuff like that. And also this is returned. You would see it when we move into the visualization. You will see what I'm talking about more. And this is the products returned from the ID. So we'd also get to understand this as we trying to like model it, then relate it with this first sheet here. So now if I should click on load data, if I should click on this load icon, it will basically just move me here where I'll be doing the modeling, the visualization, and stuff like that. But then I still want to do a little transformation to the data before I then load it. So now I'm clicking on transform data. Okay, that's good. So I only want to work on these others, because well, would see if there's need for him to work on other ones too. So let's say without taking much time here, because the focus is actually visualization, not this. And just to let you guys know some things you should take note of. If you can see a column, the column here is actually numbers, and this icon here is showing that it's actually in whole numbers. This here is telling us that it is in letters. So this is it. It is telling us that it is in text. So it's telling us that it is in text. We have the other dates, which is actually indicating that there is in the date format. We have the ship date, we have the ship mode, we have the customer ID, everything you have to check through like that. This is just basically you cleaning your data. We have the segment, we have country, we have city, state, postal code, region, product ID. Just basically when you come across the data, whichever it is, either maybe you're using it on Excel, or you're a data scientist, you're using it on maybe Jupyter, or you're doing machine learning, you'd always want to like go check all over your data to see what are the necessary things you would actually need to do to clean your data for it to be properly prepared for analysis. And category, subcategory, product name, it's okay. It's meant to be in text, and this is sales, this is quantity. Sales is in decimal, yeah, that's fine, because you could see it as decimal point. Quantity, it's fine, it's in whole number. Discount is in okay, that's good. And profit also. Now what I want to do here now is I want to create a new column for the costs. So before I do that, I want to change this to, I want to rename this sales to unit sales. Let's rename. So I'll be doing to unit sales. That's good. And also, instead of right clicking, I can just double click on it. So I'm changing this profit to unit profit. So I can actually decide to just work across the data set like this, because it's actually clean. But then I still want to do some other things. I want to add new column to it. I want to get total sales. I want to get the total cost of production, and then the total profit. Before doing that, I need to get my my unit cost, and to do that, you would say your unit sales minus your unit profit to get your the cost of product. So then custom column, cost new column name, I want to limit unit cost. So what is it I want to do? So I can click on it here. So unit sales, this unit sales. So for that, your square bracket, unit sales, is it? Click on it. Then unit sales minus what? Minus your what? Unit profit. Your unit profit here. Then just OK. So this is a new column, but don't forget this has not changed, so you need to change this table type, and this is actually needed when you want to do your analysis. So you need to change this unit cost type, right click, change type, then you change it to decimal number. So that's fine. Also, I still need to create 3 other columns without wasting time, so just let me quickly do that also. So just please try to follow everyone. We have total sales. So total sales now is depending on the quantity sold. So this is the quantity here. So now what I'll basically just be doing is this unit sales times this. It's telling the total sales for this quantity of product. So now that's what I'm basically doing. Then let's say your square bracket unit sales, multiplied by your quantity, then just OK and do it back up, then OK, total sales. So that's good. Don't forget, change data type to decimal number. So I'm creating another one. Total cost. I've got unit cost. Then multiply by quantity also. Okay. Okay. So we'll also do that for total profit also. So then don't forget changes. Change the type to decimal number. So and custom column, total sales. Okay, total cost, now total profit. Okay, there's unit what? Unit profit. Sorry, unit profit. Then multiply by quantity. So also don't forget this. Change it. Right click. Change type to decimal number. So I think we are good. And in case you make a mistake and then you want to go back, in Power BI there's no Ctrl Z. What you basically do is you can just press this button here, and you press it. The last change you made to the table won't be there anymore, and as you can see, the last change is total profit. And let's try it. So no, sorry, the last change. Thank you. The last change is me changing the type. So that's good. So it has returned back to ABC text and number. So I need to change it to type. I need to change it to decimal number. So now let's check for the other sheets, people. As you can see, this is column 1, column 2, which is actually not the what is actually meant to be there. So in order to do that, this is actually the column heading, and also this is it. So you can just click here, then click on that, and then just then use first row as headers. So that's good. We've made a change also. Come to returns, I think. Because same issue also. Then just click on this, use first row as headers. So I think that's all. That's that. You can see if there is no auto, and no, it's only yes we have. Okay, that's good. People, we are good. I think others too, we are good. Just to cross check. Order date, ship mode, customer ID, customer name, segment, country, postal code. Okay. Entity discount, total sales, total profit. I think we are good. So the next thing we just do is come back to home, then you close and apply. Then that would then lead you to where you do your visualization, your modeling and stuff like that. So good. Okay, it's loading. Creating the connection in model. So let's wait for it. So now it's complete. So now this is my modeling. What I basically want to do here, I want to relate the different sheets together, different tables. So as you can see, it has already found a relationship here, that is the region in people can also be seen here. So where's the region table? This is it. So but then it hasn't found this, then you could actually just do that. We have other ID and also have other ID here, so you can basically just drag and place it like this, and relationship is created. So relationship is created. So when you work on this table, you could actually relate it with these others, and when you could work on this table, you can actually relate it here too. So now we're good. So now let's go to our report. This is your report icon. This is for data in case you want to do some little correction to it, and then also this is your model icon. So now we're going to visualization. So as I said, we'll be creating this dashboard. One is for your analysis, the other one is linear regression, and the last one is time series analysis. So and then we'll be using these visualizations. There are different visuals here that you could use. This is field of where the different tables are. Then now the first thing we want to do is okay, so now when it comes to analysis, then that's when your intuitions comes to play. Then it depends on if you are working with a company. They could actually tell you what is it they really want you to do for them, and if it is not that, maybe you are learning personally, or perhaps you want to bring out insight from different data. Then you start thinking of how you want to relate different columns in order to bring out results, in order to bring out suggestions or inferences for yourself or whoever it is, your company and stuff like that. And now, firstly, I'll be using the card visuals. So I click on it. So I want to know the total number of quantity of products sold. So now click on others, go to where quantity is. There is quantity, this quantity here, thank you. You can just click on it. So quantity. So this is the total number of quantity sold at 8,000k. So just let it be like that. So now not to waste much of our time. So the next thing we want to do is, so when I click on it, now it's just telling me that I click back on it, then it's just showing me what I've done, or what is it, what I've done basically. So if I click out, it means I want to go into another analysis. Then it depends on whichever visuals I want to pick here. So now I want to use the funnel visuals. The funnel visual is just for me to like maybe I want to list out things. It could be orderly, it could be just for you to view out some things. And but now my own focus for using this funnel visual is for me to know the total sales, the total profits, and also the total cost of production. So picking these funnel visuals, so I'll be clicking on the total cost of production, total sales, and also the total profit. So that's it. So the next thing here is we want to make it look normally like hierarchy. Then I'll need to like take this up here, then it's okay like this. So what's basically just telling me, just expand. What's basically just telling me is the total sales from this data set. We have 11,498,062.07 total costs. That is it. It's telling me percent, and also this total profit 1.4. So like that. Then let us bother ourselves too much on it, because our concern is mainly just for you to have an insight into what Power BI visualization is. So now that I've done that, of course, from just this basic analysis, you're already creating, like thinking through that. Oh, so we could say about 12.5% is the profit made from what's it called, 12.45 made from sales, and 14.22 profit. So let's continue. Next thing I want to do is I want to use bar charts. I want to relate region, state, city to sales. So let's say I want to know which region has more sales, has more profit, and also the costs of producing, the total costs, the total cost in each region, in each state, and also in city. So I'll be using clustered bar charts. Okay, clicking on clustered bar charts. Okay, as you can see, we have another icon here. We have the fields icon, we have the format icon, and we have the analytics icon. So as we continue on our analysis, we would see the importance of each one. So here it's just telling me on the axis, what do I want to add on the axis. So I want to add regions. Region. I want to add state also. I want to know about the state. This is state. Okay. I also want to add city. This city here. Now as against what? So as against the what? The total sales, total profit, and total cost. So now under values, so I'll be adding that total sales, total costs, and also total profits. So the beauty about Power BI is it has actually given it a color to distinct each one easily. It's a Power Platform, so you don't need to stress yourself, except you always want to like change the view. Maybe you're not okay with the way it is. We'll get there to later. So let's just continue. So this is it. So this is basically just telling me that, oh, okay, in the West region, the total sales made there is 3.5. Also, the total costs in that region is 3.0, and profit made from that region is this. From east, the same thing. From center, the same thing. And then the beauty about this is just try to ensure that you are paying more attention. So this is just for this is focus mode. You want to focus on this particular visuals. So let's focus on it. This is basically what it's telling me. And if you can see here, the profit share is about 227,000 plus, and the profit share is 219. This one is more than this, but then the total sales and the total cost of production in this region is higher than this. But then this region here is actually bringing in more profits than this central region. So then you could now dig in further. Then why is this region, after focusing more on ensuring that we have more sales, the cost of production is so high, stuff like that, but then we are bringing in more profit. Perhaps if the product they are actually people are actually ordering for in that region is not what they should have focused more on. Maybe there's actually a particular product that bringing more profits than what they are actually focusing on in the central region and stuff like that. So that's good. And then if I want to dig in further, we have something you call drill down. So when I click on drill down, so now this is basically just telling me about what about the region. But now I want to check state, I want to check also on city. So I can just click on this here. I'll click on it. This is West region. Okay, which states are in the West region? So this is it. We have California, we have Washington, Arizona, Colorado, and stuff like that. I want to go further. This is basically just telling me the region, state, West California. So and the total sales made from that region. Then across down like that. So I want to go to New City. There, Los Angeles, San Francisco, San Diego. So see, like across each region, down to state, down to city, you could actually tell, okay, which region is bringing in more sales, which state is bringing in more profits, which city is our cost of production so high. So that's it. Then just go back up, drill up, and we are back. So now let's go back to our report. So we'll go with this. So click out. So next thing is so I also want to relate segments category, subcategory as regards the total sales and profits. So what is segment, what is subcategory and subcategory? Let's check it here in our data in case you don't know. So this is segment. It's basically telling me that okay, which segment is actually bringing in more sales, more profit, and also the cost of production. And that segment, you also want to check for category. Let's see, where's category? This category is the office supply that is bringing in more profit. Are we actually selling more with the office supply? Which other one is there? Let's see, either furniture or technology, what have you? Also the subcategory. Is it storage? Is it art? Is it paper? Is it fasteners? Is it appliances? Also, so now we want to know as it relates with products what we are selling. So how is it what we are selling? Are we actually making profit from, or which product are you making profits from the most? This total sales for making such products, and also the cost of producing that product. So now instead of using clustered bar chart, I would want to use clustered column chart to be able to relate more columns together. Clicking on this clustered column chart. Okay, that's good. In the axis, I'll be adding segments. Axis. Okay, I'll be adding category and also subcategory. This category, we should update this category. Add it below, and also we have subcategory. So it is, don't forget what's basically just trying to tell me that I will need to like drill down from segment to category to subcategory. Okay, what do I want to like relate it with? I want to relate it with the total sales values here, the total costs, and also the total profits. So this is great also. I've done that. Okay, so let's focus on it. So that's good. So you can see consumer from the segment column brings in total sales there is the highest. Then also here the total cost also is also the highest when it comes to the product they order for the most. Also the profit you make from consumer also it's also high. The total cost of producing the produce for consumer is also this, and the profit is also this. We have corporates, we have home office also. So you can see, so you can basically just say that okay, now let's look at what products are they was the consumer show like ordering for the most. So let's see. So this is it. You can see technology is one bringing in more profits to the store. So people order for technology products the most, then office supply, then furniture. So and then you can start thinking, is it that maybe at central region that actually has the lowest profits? Is that maybe they are focusing more on furniture, and whereas people are really not ordering for what's it called, for furniture, and that's why you can see there is lesser profit in central region. But we'll get there. So just for you to like see them, if you want to like go further, you can just click on it and see which aspects of the subcategories bringing in more what's it called, more profits. You can see this is chair. This is for furniture. So under furniture, chairs is one bringing in more profits. You can see they are making loss here, so it's minus, and also this one also minus. Bookcases, so they are making profits here. Then you could go up further, check for technology. Okay, this one is technology also. So phones is bringing in more profit. People order for phones the most. You have accessories, you have machines, you have repairs. It means under technology there is no loss at all. You can drill up back and you can check for office supply. Office supply is to, okay, there is just one loss, and that's what gas supplies. So whatever supply it is, so don't bother yourself with that. But then you can see. Now let's go back. So now basically you have doing the analysis already. Drill up. So now we're good. That is it. You can try to like take this out. I don't want to drill down. I can leave it there. I don't want to drill down. But then that's it. So the next thing I also want to do is as it relates to what's it called, let's now go to the other sheet. So these people here, so I want to try to like bring out something about them. Let's see if it is possible. Then okay, let's see, let's try start column chart. Where is it? Let's start column charts to see. So under axis I'll be adding person. Where is it? Okay, sorry, should be here, should be people. Adding person. Okay, that's good. Also come back to this spreadsheet category, and also let me put subcategory. I want to know which products do these people actually order for the most. Where is subcategory? New subcategory. Okay, so under values, so put this, then it's actually a power platform. So what I basically just want to do here is I want to count. Okay, let's continue. You get what I'm saying. Also under legend, let me add categories to that also. It's changing, but then I'll explain it one by one for you guys. So, and then I want to see if the total profit made from the product they order for, like the total profit those people brought to the superstore. So what two things means is, as I over across this, tell me the total profit of each one, then the values. I don't want you to count the number of products these people have ordered for. I don't want you to to count these things. Like you just count the total number of products. Of course, it can't sum it up because it's not in maybe one number or decimal. So it can only count the product. So that's why I added it under values. It's counting. It can't sum up. So then under legend, so as you know what legend is, okay, let me assume that we don't know what legend is. So this is what legend is. Just telling me now that it's trying to like label this for me. So I'm telling you that it's category. This is it here. Then under category we have furniture, we have office supplies, we have technology. So this light blue here is representing furniture. There's office supply, so as you can see, and technology also. So now if and here this person here, this is it. Let me focus on it so you can see what you're seeing. For Anna, for Chuck, for Kelly, and for Cassandra. So now they're also one of their customers. So, and perhaps it could be one of their most valuable customers, we don't know, but then it's in the data set, and then just want to like bring something up about them. Then we'll see Anna is like, let's say maybe the best customer of the year. Then she has the total number of highest number of profits, as you can see, 258. Chuck also tried, also Kelly, and also Cassandra. So This is just an analysis, and you can see we're able to do that because we have actually related this table here with this table here. So you could see whatever I pick here and whatever I try to relate it here would actually like be relatable when it comes to our visualization. So that's basically what I just did. So I was able to come up with okay, what category of product does Anna order for. So you can decide to, let's see if you can drill down. So this technology, let's see. So office supply, she prefers she order for office supply product the most, then with furniture, then technology. You can see the profit of each one. So let's go back, we can drill down for that if that possible. So this is the product she orders for the most, binders, paper, storage, appliances and stuff like that. So sorry, then drill up. So that's good. So if I want to change this category, okay, let me put category there because I already have category here, I have subcategory here. That is, when I drill down, then I'll drill across this category and subcategory. Let me consider, and then let me just put segment, so I would know which segment each of them. Which one? So you can see this one for consumer. So as a consumer, this is what she orders for the most, and for corporate, let's say corporate organization, this is what she orders for the most, and for home office, this is what, like from home office, this is what she orders for. From what's it called, from the consumer section, this is what she orders for, and also from the corporate section, this is what she orders for, and the total number of subcategories she orders for, and the total profit each one is bringing as brought to what's it called, to the store. So this is it. This for check, so you can see. Let's drill down also. Don't let me use this. Let me go for Cassandra. So Cassandra also prefers office supplies, furniture, then technology. Okay, let's check for 100%. Let's see. Let's check for Kelly. Same thing. Like that. So you can just check through. So also binders. So let's check for technology here. Phones, she order for phones the most, for accessory, then machines, then copiers. So now we're done with this. So now the analysis basically. So this one, let's reduce this. Don't worry. Yeah, it's so disorganized, but then let me just continue the analysis, then we'll arrange it after to create our dashboard. So next thing I want to do now is I want to use donut charts. So I see another sheet that I haven't touched at all. So and that is let's see. Okay, my concern is my concern is this ship mode. Which of the class do the customer prefer, or how do they actually order for their products? Is it through the standard class? Is it first class? Is it second class? And where's the last one? If I don't know, you can actually get it when you are doing your analysis. So then pick the donut charts. Use donut charts. Okay. So it means basically you just need to know the visual that is perfect for whatever analysis you want to do. So now the legend, let me see, I want to put ship mode there. It's telling me across ship mode. Okay, that's good. As you can see, all explain what ship mode is before. So it has already like label it down for you, or giving it a distinct color for each classes. For each class, sorry. First class we have same day, we have second class, and we have standard class. So let's see. So I'm just add total sales under value. Sorry. Sorry for that. So just let me continue. Okay, we are here, right? So now, total sales. Okay, and the values. So there you can see it. So for standard class, this is total sales. So it means they sell the most using standard class ship mode, then down to second class, then first class, then same day product, and not so much like that. Then let's see, just let me put total profit, so I would know across what's it called. If I click, I will see the profit each class brings. So wow, okay, for standard class is profit we make from standard class, that is 60% of what called of everything. Then we have second class about 265,000, first class this and this also. So these are under visuals, and then I was able to like relate. Don't forget now I've been able to like touch if not all, some of it, created a new column, then to be able to like do my analysis. So now what other thing can we do? Let's see. Okay, now the last one is the last sheet. Don't forget there is a returned product here, so you want to see which products do they return the most. So that way you could actually then go back and see why is it that the packaging is not okay, why do people return this product the most. Is it that maybe it got damaged before it was shipped to them and stuff like that. So you could actually go back and start bringing out different reasons as to why these people return this product, and then what you should focus more on, and to help you in future sales and profits or future decisions of the store. So now I want to use clustered bar charts. Okay, let me use that clustered bar charts. Okay, further let me reduce all this. Reduce, reduce, reduce. Okay. Now add segments under axis. I want to add segments. Okay. Okay, segment. So which segment is it from? The consumer? Is it from corporate? Also, then let me add category. Category is telling me, okay, is it office supplies, is it furniture, is it technology? Okay, then subcategory under each one, that's under each category. Is it like we saw, is it binders, is it papers, is it copiers? Subcategory. That's good. So under legend now, I want to like then put my returned. So basically it's telling me that yes, for everyone you say there is deep low, it is the returned product. Then let's see, let's go back. The other values, just out count order ID. So what I'm basically just telling me to do is count the number of products returned across each segment, down to category, down to subcategory. So for each one, it's blank. It wasn't returned, but for for this color, for this deep blue, which is under legend has already indicated for me. So I the return products. So there's it. And for two tips, so I just want to know these two tips. I want to know what is the likely profit I would have made from the returned product. Then I'll be adding total profits to that. So it has been added. So now let's focus on it. So now, so this is total profit I would have made from the product returned from consumer segments, about 74,000. Also have corporate about 18,000. Also have home office about 928 naira dollars. So you can see, okay, I want to drill down. Okay, let's see under which category. Let's go to, okay, my concern is this. So this is it. So under category, they returned more office supplies, then more furniture, and also technology. So then you want to go further. Let's see. So I can return binders the most. So we also have paper here. This is actually nice. As you can see, I would have made this superstore would have made loss from these binders. So that's good. So this also they would have made profit here. Profit here, profit here. So it's just like really giving insights as insights into what superstore is all about, their where they should focus more on, where they are actually doing well, what they should keep on doing, what they should stop doing, and stuff like that. Then you can start asking questions among themselves that why are my customers returning this product? What is the reason with it? So now we've been able to like touch each sheet and each sheet. We've been able to touch these orders here. We've been able to touch people here. We've been able to touch returns here. So and then we've been able to relate everything, and then we've been able to like bring insights as to why this superstore is performing this way, where they are lacking, which region they are lacking the total sales, and which segment is actually bringing in more profit for them, which product are they ordering for the most, their shipping method, and also we also went further to check the people and see the profit they bring to the company, what segment are they ordering for, and the total profit they bring to the store, and also we check for returned items too. So we need to do quite much. The other one that I would love to show you is the slicer visual. So what slicer visual does is come here. Something is missing here, so let's quickly correct that. That's fine. So what's that? So it relates the total sales across region. We've done this. That is the returned item. So it's fine. So returned items, clustered bar chart, clustered bar chart. That's it. Okay, great. So without wasting much time, segment, you have category, subcategory. And under the down to add the return product. Okay, that's fine, thank you. Under values counts the number of products returned. Let's count ID. And what ID, thank you. And do this profit. So that's it. So the other ones I would love to show you before we move to other dashboard I want to create, which is for linear regression, to see how profits and sales relate. The relationship between them, is it strong or is it weak? With that, the more sales we make are definitely going to make more profit and stuff like that. So we would need the map visuals, but for you to be able to use the map visuals, you will need the internet. So let me connect my system to what's it called? Internet. Okay, while that is connecting, and you can start arranging your dashboard. So by arranging, so this is already a dashboard, but it's not just arranged yet. So I can leave this here and put this here, then leave this funnel here. Okay, I also want to talk about the slicer visuals. Okay, for slicer visuals, what it helps you do basically is click out the slicer visuals. So then I could decide to add I want to like cut across what I want to cut across region. So when I click on central region, it will show me my dashboard analysis based on just central region. So this is it. Everything that's to do with central region, this is it. The total sales, total cost, the total quantity sold there, and the product returned there, consumer, the shipping mode there, and it could actually just tell me the people out of the 4 people, which region. Is it that maybe 2 of them are from a particular region, but here you could see just 1 person, which is scaling. So now I don't want this anymore, I want east. So now east is chalk. So and then we have about 11,000 quantities sold there. And this is south. This is also Cassandra is from south, and then west also, and Anna is from west, and let's read it across. This is actually nice. When you click it out, then your table is back. Now my what's it called? My system is connected. So let's try to see if we can use the map visuals to do some good things. So we want to do basically just let's see using the map itself. So that's good. So you can see a location. What location is it? You have country. There's country there, United States. Okay, that's good. It's a power platform. It will automatically get that for you. Let me focus on it. So this is United States, but I've not done anything. Just tell me, oh, this is United States. That's good. So okay, now let's continue. Let me add states to it. Let me add region first. Okay, and then add states to it, and add city. Come on, city. Strong. Okay, that's good. Now you can just put top profit. What's it called? And tooltips. I want to go further there. I want to show you guys this. So now I want to drill down. That's good. So next thing is what? We have to drill down. There are 4 regions. So this is the east region, this is the west region, this is the central region, and this is what is the south region. So using the map itself, the map is from Hindi, you can see. So now I want to go further. So let me go to him, go here. South region, let me check. So that's good. So these are the states in the south region. This is the south region. We have Tennessee, we have North Carolina, South Carolina, we have Georgia, Alabama, and see this. That's Kentucky. So let me click on it. Let me set it there. So the different cities there. The profit, this city is about 150. The profit here 352. 4,000 watt, that's okay. Then 1.6 and stuff like that. So this is actually power performance using the map visuals to help you locate across each region, each state and city, depending on your focus. You want to know which city do I want to like talk about and stuff like that. So now let me drill up. So now then just back to United States. So now let's arrange our table. So okay. It's okay. Good. So I'm using my dashboard. Doing my analysis. I think it's okay like this. Is it? Utilities, okay like this. Okay, great. 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 That's nice, that's okay. Okay, so what else can I do? Just let me do this also. Okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, it's good. second one here. Okay. So I've created my dashboard. This is it. So I want to name it performance of Superstore. You could name it whatever it is you want to name it. This is the text box. You click on it to bring it. Then you want to change the size. Then put it in 18. You want to change the color. You can decide to change the color. Click in this. So let me use red also. You can see more colors. So you can see get this here. Okay, that's good. Now performance of Superstore. Okay, this is great. So I think I can decide what's it called. So increase it. So it's okay. It is sorry. I think we are done basically. See, then you can click out. So this is a dashboard. So performance of Superstore. Then I start explaining. But then we are done with one dashboard. Let's quickly go to the second dashboard. So I think the time is quite spent already. So we have linear regression. Page 2. So we have under visual for linear regression. We are using this scatter charts. The scatter chart automatically it already brought out what you'll be needing, the x-axis, the y-axis, your details and stuff. So for my details, I'll be adding order dates. So where's order dates? You can see the importance of you ensuring that this is in dates. You change this to what's it called to order dates here. So that's good. And then your x-axis, because I don't want to start going into mathematics because the focus here is mainly just for what is it called, visualization. But then the dependent variable here is what is the total profit which will be on your y-axis, and then your total sales which is independent on your x-axis. As you can see, it's done already. So let me bring it down here, go up a little. So that's good. So now I want to add my trend line, then go to analytics. As I said earlier, you'll see the importance. This is trend line, then add. So I've added it. So you can tend to change the color of the trend line, red. So you can change the style. I want solid. It's there. So whichever one. So that is it. So we're good. So also next thing we want to do is we want to change our correlation of coefficients in order to determine our correlation of determinants. So in order to do that, you come here, okay, new quick measure, doesn't take much time, new quick measure, okay, it's loading. So select the correlation you want to do. Want to do correlation coefficient. This is it. So in your category, what you want to add there, you add the dates as your other dates, drag it, and measure axis. Don't forget the total sales is on your x-axis, and your dependent variable which is on your y. So you could decide to change it from sum to what's called to average, minimum. So just let's give it here in sum of total. This also. So this is it. So this is DAX, the programming aspect of this. We are not going into that, just let's leave it. It has been created. So this is it. You want to say your total sales. So now you want to visualize it, then you can use your card visuals to visualize it. I'll do my card visuals, then I'm putting this there. So that's good. So you can consider the relationship is not so strong. It's not even up to 5. Imagine if it's close to 1, it means that's a very strong relationship. You can see it's more clustered here. So the profit is not so high like that, although there's profit, but it's not so high. So this is actually telling something about the performance of the superstore, so it's not so strong. But then needs to determine, oh, okay, maybe this is actually not relating well enough. Let's use to determine our correlation of what determinant, could see how strong the relationship of the two is, or of the two are. So then we go to new measure. You can pick it here, and you can decide to pick it here. Let's click out new measure. Okay, just tell him what it is I want to do. I want to do correlation of determinants. Then I'm renaming this correlation of determinants. Correlation of determinants. Then what is how are we going to do it? Then this is raised to power 2, which is what our total says a correlation of coefficient, which is this. So you can just click on it, don't forget. So your square brackets should be there. Then now you can click. Sorry, there's an error. So there is it. Thank you. Then it's about 2 using this condition 2 and press enter. Let's go ahead and open on it. Let's see if it has been created. It has been created, so that's good. Then cancel it. Then begin your card visuals again. Your card visuals, and add it. And drag it and just click on it, whichever one you guys. The correlation of determinants. You can see it's so poor, so it's not even so strong also. That's good. So that's basically another tool of using the what's called of scatter charts. It could help you in linear regression. So this is another dashboard that I just created. Add your text box, and it's too big, reduce, and drag it across the way you like. Then don't forget to type and change this to, let's say, 36. Then centralize this. So linear regression based on sales and profit. So that's all. So you want to change, but you can change the color. I'm not changing the color. Okay with the way it is. Okay with the way it is, and you can just click out. So you're done with that. Then the next one is now time series analysis. Last dashboard will be created. So we won't be using the scatter chart now. We'll be using the linear chart. I mean the line chart. Sorry. So there's it. Well, that's good. On the axis, add your order dates. That's good. Changes to what's equal to order dates. You don't want this hierarchy. So that's good. Under values, total sales. Total sales, you can see this is it on Wednesday. This is total sales made in December 2011. This is total sales made on this day. Sales made on this day. So like that across from 2011 down to 2014. So now our next concern is now the time series analysis. You can expand it. So now go to analytics here. You go to forecast. Okay, then you use add. So add focus length is 10 days. You can see it's already there, but focus now is a whole year. That is 365 days. That's 365. So confidence interval just telling you that based on this confidence, this is probably the profit you made, and you can just apply. Okay, let me not put 95. Let me just put 90%. Okay, based on this 90% confidence, this is probably the what's it called, the profit you would make. So then apply. So this is it. So the forecast is about 2,000, about 18,000 for February 28, 2015, the next year. And May 10, this is probably not make profits. That's the forecast. So you can actually actually work on that. You start working towards ensuring that you make profit, not loss, due to what this has forecasted for you. So it's a power platform. Don't forget, a powerful tool that had already done the machine learning, the training, and stuff like that, and able to predict for you. So also you want to check for. I also want to check for profits. This is the probable sales you will make in 2015. Now my concern is, okay, now profits was the focus, like what profits would I make 2015, then top profits, yeah, then analytics, go to forecast, add into the 365 over here, then apply. Okay, let me change this to let me do it in 95. It's fair, it's okay. Then apply. It's there already too. So forecasts the profit I'll probably make on this day, on this day, on this day, on this day, across like that. Then you can come here and then add your text box and then name it time series analysis based on sales and profit for the year 2015. So drag up, drag up. Okay, that's good. Okay, change this to 18 or 20 to 20. Let me change the color here. What color should I use? Let me see. Let me use this color. Now, time series analysis based on sales and profit for the year. So, in the analysis based on sales and profit. Centralized for me, so that's okay. So click out, so that's fine. So we've been able to create 3 dashboard. One, the performance of Superstore. We've been able to do a linear regression based on sales and profit, and we also been able to do a time series analysis, create 3 dashboard. So this is the basic tools you need when you want to do your visualization using Power BI. But the next thing that I want to put you guys through is view. If you're not okay with the way it is, these are a series of themes you could use. This is the one using presently. This is the fourth one. You can change it to bloom. This you can say if you're fine with it, you can use it. Yeah, you can use it here. You're fine with it. You can try to change it. So this is something else. So this is actually cool. So you can change, you can check across also. There's another one. Check across. Which one you're fine with? Okay. There's another one. And then also you can browse for themes, for gallery, but I don't want to go into that. So at least for start, this is okay. So let's say, let me just stick with this. No, let me stick with this. I'm not with the city park. Come in. Classic, let me see classic. So classic is okay. Let me use this. So this is fine. Then the other one that I would want to do then is just the mobile layout. If you are using the Power BI mobile, the way it would appear mobile devices. So this click on this Power BI mobile. So if you want grid lines, compose grid lines would help you in arranging it. So this should come first, as you all know. And put it here. So that's fine. And the next thing is what? This. Okay. Then put this next. So I'm already arranging it. Expand. Expand. What's the next one then? If you can't remember, you can just go back and see. So it is the funnel, then followed by this, followed by the total sales across region, then the products. Okay, go back to this. So the funnel, which was the next one. Okay. So this basically will to appear when you're using your mobile devices. Come on. So this is okay. And then bring in this. Also, let me see. So I just press Ctrl down to save it. Then I can just save it as live demo. Live demo. Then you don't need to change the type. This is saved in Power BI format. Then just press save. So that's good. So I can save it already. Then also the next one, okay, map the people, the return product, then okay, that's good. Don't forget, for you to be able to use the map visuals, you have to, your system must be connected to the internet. It's okay. Next one is this. It's okay. Next one is this. Then the last one is this. Okay, so I think that's it. So you can set the tick of the grid lines and see yourself. So this view to be when you're using a mobile device to view it. So you can go to page 2 also and do the same thing. Okay, come on. Okay, and sales and profits. Okay, great. Okay, this is analysis done. Then you can bring this in. Okay, and the last one. This is it, the last one also. Come on. So very good. You can also take out the grid lines and see it. Also, the last one. It's always good to add the grid lines. It will help you place it. The sales. So very good now. What happened? Come on. Let me drop down. Okay. That's serious. So that's it. We're good. So we're done for this also. We're done for this also. So now we're good. So then you can click out and go back to your report. So then you can then decide to publish it. So to do that, you have to sign in first. Go back to home. You can control save. Publish here. Publish your workspace. So you can use your personal email for Power BI desktop. Even for Power BI, it has to be maybe an organizational email or your school email, an official email. So now I'm using my school email for this. Okay, now connect. So I want to publish it to my workspace. So for whoever that wants to view it can view it, and I can also decide to download it as PDF or PowerPoint format. So there are a lot of other things that you can do, but I'm basically done with visualizations, and then the other thing that I would just want to put you guys through is how you can actually hands-on data to actually work with. So after this, we'll go into that. So let's proceed with this. So I'm turning already, it's working on it. Now I'm just clicking my workspace, then select. So that's it. Then I can decide to, when it's done, let me wait for it to be done. Publishing my live demo, I already named it that. Then I can decide to open, I'm opening this, just open it back in PowerBI. Then I can say, okay, let me get quick insight. So I say got it, just return back here. I want to get quick insight. So that's directed into browser. So the web service here. Okay. So this PowerBI. So this is it. So I can here, so I can decide searching for insight for me across my reports. So let's see if it will to get insight for me. So it's also a Power Platform. So all the things are inbuilt already, and it is usually updated monthly. So you can see it's saying corporate invisibly as more conditional determinant, that is as against the sales and profit made from product. So that's quite nice. So the standard class account for majority of the unit sales. Then too much. Anna and Chuck have noticeable more unit profit. It means this to make more profit than these other two people. And table has noticeable less unit profit. Tables bringing it loss for us. So it has done the analysis for us. And as you go across, we'll hide the unit costs of outliers, that is this year beyond the ranges of what's it called, of the cost of production, like it's beyond it. So correlation. So don't let me bore you with all this. So the only thing I just want to come here to check is just to show you guys how you can download your report as in PDF formats. And see, come in my workspace. Oh, don't check recent. Okay, there's it. These are the different things I've done. Okay, what is the live demo? So this is data set of the live demo, and this was produced report. So I'm concerned about the report. Then you could share it here, chat in Teams. Teams also Microsoft, Microsoft Journal of Power BI. So Teams also and applications there where people chat on. Then you could share, you can export files, so a lot of other things, picture on picture. But then let me wait for it to load completely. So that's it. You can decide PowerPoint or PDF. So click on PowerPoint. Just export for me. You can export the PowerPoint file. This may take a few minutes to just find. Then I also want PDF format. So export for me. So it's working on the two for me. So let me wait here. It's done. So you can see what I'm talking about. So why that is doing that, let me waste more time here. So got it. So I want to tell you can get your data. If you want to then start practicing, there's a way you could get data. Let's say let's go to file, let's see, get data to get started. Let me cancel this and let it finish. So I don't want it to match the new data with the new data I want to get, or I want to show you guys how to get. And I don't want it to merge it with this report. So let's see. So now let me just continue. No problem. Let me just continue. Then you can say just search a web. Use web. You can say okay. Let's connect to this. Now connect. So it's asking me for URL. I don't have a URL yet, but then you could get. So just let me come back here and see if this is done. Oh yeah, now. Okay, so now let me search. Let me go to Google and search. And go to Google and search for IMF. What's it called? IMF World Economy. IMF World Economy Outlook database. Okay, let me search for that. So that's good. So click on this. Okay, what is good? Then by countries, click this. So my concern, I want to get the GDP of all countries. Okay, this is good. Okay, I want all countries. Click on all countries. Okay, that's good. Then just continue. Okay, what else? I want one in US dollars. Okay, just click continue. So just prepare the report for me. Don't worry, prepare the report for me. So now the report has been created, but you can decide to download it and import it. If I imported mine, but then I don't want to download, so you can just decide to like copy the link here, Control C, come back to your PowerBI, paste your link, and then OK. So it's connecting to it, and see. So let's wait. It is loading. This is navigator that actually helps you to select whichever table or whichever one you want to click. So let's say if it is this I need. You can say this is the table here. Let's see the web view. This is the web view. Just telling me download report and stuff like that. It's connected already. So let's see if it's table 2. Yeah. I don't want table 2. You can decide whichever one you want. I want table 1. Let's say table 1. You can decide to click the 2. Table 1. Let's see. Colombia is the last country here. And Chad. I'm coming. Sorry for that. Then Chad. And you can just pick. You can say like if you load data is going to modeling, but you see transform data, maybe want to make changes to it. So let's see. So now if you need data, open your Power BI, go through this last process I just showed you guys, and you would see it. So this is it. Then you want to do any changes, check across this, and down you see as you need, say, as you can see the column header, it's not there. You can say change it here. This first as header. No, I'm not doing that for you guys. Just check across, and I believe you guys would understand it. So I'm deleting it. I don't need it. Table 1, then deleting this to table 2. Yeah, I don't need it. So now just let me close and apply back. Okay, fine. Just let me apply back. That's good. Okay, that's it. Let's see if this one is done or still. Should actually download. I don't know what's wrong. No, come on. So I think we are done with everything we need to know as regards visualization, the basic visualizations that you need to get started using Power BI. So after this, we'll call it a day. And if you have a question, if you want to reach out to me on LinkedIn, you can actually, this is my LinkedIn profile. This is my LinkedIn profile. This is it. You can write it out and then check me on LinkedIn, reach out to me, and message me privately. Of course, I'm always open to reply to everybody. So this is it, Abdulwaheed. This is so okay. This one ready. That's it. Here I knew it's ready. So let me see. Save us. Live demo one. I don't know see it here. Where's my desktop? Okay. PowerBI. Okay, let me save it here. Save. No. Saved already. Just let me save this again. Okay. Save too. So it's saved. Let me open file for you guys to see. Let me open file for you guys to see also. So here is it. So this is the analysis we just did. So as you can see, you can view it in the PDF format. So let me open the PowerPoint for you. This is a PowerPoint. Oh, this is so nice. So that's what you need to know, guys. Page and intentions analysis. So we'll call it a day here. Thank you very much, everyone, and I hope you guys practice on your own. Get your hands dirty. Keep working things out. If you get stuck, reach out or just search on Google, and then I'm very sure you get solutions to it. Okay, thank you very much, and then I'll be ending the recording here. Bye.